In this video, we will be demonstrating how to wire a 3-phase Munro LP 5 horsepower pump. Step 1. Review the motor data on the nameplate. As you can see, at 60 Hertz, this 3-phase motor runs on 230 or 460 volts. The wiring diagram is located below the nameplate. This diagram will show you where each wire connects and how to wire for high voltage. Note, the motor is pre-wired to 230 volts. Remove the motor cover and locate the corresponding connections as listed on the diagram. Step 2. Prep the motor. Install a Romex connector. This connector will hold the wire in place. Pass the wire through the Romex from the outside. Step 3. Wire the motor connections. As referenced on the wiring diagram, you should have a ground wire, 3 pre-joined line voltage leads, and 1 3-wire set that is not used for power connection. If wiring for 230 volts, connect the grounding wire to the green ground screw. Verify motor leads 4, 5, and 6 are together and secure. Motor leads 7 and 1 should be pre-paired. Attach the first incoming power line to this connection. Motor leads 8 and 2 should be pre-paired. Attach the second incoming power line. Lastly, motor leads 9 and 3 should be pre-wired. Attach the last incoming power line. If wiring for 460 volts, remove all pre-joined wires and tape. Following the diagram, identify and join the motor leads as indicated. In this example, join leads 4 and 7. Add wire nuts and tape. Complete for all wire connections shown. Connect the 3 incoming line wires to the appropriate motor leads. Step 4. Tuck the leads into the motor and replace the cover. Your 3-phase pump is now wired and ready for rotation confirmation, aka bump test. If you need help walking through the wiring or bump test process, contact Munro Technical Support. Our team is here to help.